Memo promote la. Guy Memo promote la. This is Camaraba official. As you can see, this young man called Bafode Camara, but he's dealing his own business as Gambian, and he has a business called Kamas Electrical, and I have just moved to a new house where I am now renting. So, but I need my children also to be watching televisions. But you can see, as you can see here, it's very dark for me here. The children cannot, watch anything. So, but Kama is always on call. So when I just call him, he just write down. He has a motorbike. He just pop and come. Watch everything, and everything of him is in standard. So I just asked him, how do you go about doing this? So he's writing his invoice, and he's done with his invoice. So he can always be on call. Kamaraba trust him, and I do believe you will have the same trust to get him. He's a very smart guy, and he's a Gambian. Why can't we champion our own young men and women? Here is one of them. So he's just doing it. Like not many Gambians will be doing things like this, and they will not care about invoices, but everything of him is invoice. And then he won't talk to you. He will just give you the invoice, and the invoice will speak to you. So he's a hardworking, honest boy. Mimbe siri nyati na ten wolom Bafode Camara bari ka ala company member ni kan wolom Kamas Kamas Electrical ala doko be ni channel doko la ani electric installation on bari ni wati in sound on dula kutole to o kamala nata na akumandi bari na timbayalu ali ajele na dimbayalu sound dula kudo minto la itar tenkunit la kirim bari television mantar takan because of na satellite. So fana bala do ko konole pour que satellite lu ni fana fix. So kamala na telephone drone masim male ba lo kono ni a commande at any given time abe time o dile abe futalema pour que na ke la do ko nyinke. So funding kewlu wara Gambian ko monan nan tem fan support la tem na funding kewlu de symbol dile la wodo ni funding ke mi silota pour que do ko ke ka balu ni masoto a manku ke mi alon ko avec la tiñaroti ni banko kan wodon beñande la findi wala yatina akuma da ba na take funding ke mi alon ko organize ta ba kele ala invoice wala soto. And in this invoice nina pepening for rek akal invoice wala sabe aya dila. So wodo kamala pour que Kamas la do ko itanda la ko he's a reliable person, he's a Gambian. Ya lonko ay molna fasaro nitle comme nte sifalu anita membe nyi jube kan Kamas ni mola fakete telephone pour ani futa nyoma. What would be the number?
Telephone number mus 277-9774 Q73779477. Yeah. Address of Faratole.
Okay.
Presently Santeng. But we are mobile because office teacher but anywhere. Calling from here beyond the borders for customers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bari ngajele Alajinio ako you have to pay for this. And Alaji, you know what? He's gonna do a free installation for me here by force. He's gonna do that. Of course he's gonna be a free. He's gonna pay for it. I know what we're doing here is very powerful. But beyond with all due respect, I always want to see Gambians, especially youths who are on course, who are doing their work, who knows the meaning of the work, the handwork, and exactly Kamas did here. So you can see he's now trying to fixing everything around. Wodo ite Gambian ko mumbe njude kan warang anay manke Gambian kati akem alnga nyo fasa alnga nyo sementuya. Imagine the fana in social media nga wirkinte ya soto woleto. So mbe ole use la nte kodo dino la Kamas la anin Gambia din dolu. Bari momondi ya lonko be lori nyin kusi falu la doku nyima la nim balud la nyima nyino la membe kela tonya kanti membe kela Cairo kanti. You know what? I'm gonna use my simple phone ke itandi dunia la ko al sala doko dino nyinale adun alla doko nali adiala abakela anyamale wodete Gambia dingo isa kata bake yes nyin mosifa ya minketa Kamas Kamas Electrical ali nyomwe ila invoice o ñin dina nang invoice o ñin dina nang so aliya jele anata rek nay ñoo fekke bara invoice ole safe mi alon ko defa on content wala baake pour ka je ko invoice ole safeta so kamala ibaje la ko diamo te jam falay na mari tema min kuma da jandron aliya jela ka do ko mum special link electricity installation solar satellites and other domestic services aka wol beleke wodo ñin telephone nombal al ñabel men je kan screen do jan sign teng ñi lebeke la nombal di mi la lon ko isi ñin commande no le Kamas Electrical pour kaje ko ka fanan sembentu ya as a Gambian and as a youth for that matter. So kamala pour kamol be tembe ke jay I'm gonna give him this advertisement, not maybe because he's working for me, but being a youth. Funding Kiolomati, Adaka Balua Kamembe Soto, Aka be nyine kono. So wodo kamala, momi alongo aka balu atarala, funding Kiolomati, abuka tapale yake, abuka nyapi molkan, abuka mol patandi. Wodo kamala ba will be there to come and give you that support with the little support we can do, and we believe in advertisement is one powerful tool to sell somebody. So ngajele ko na followers wol siata na mon so mi lonko they can share this. So what they funding ke mumbe njube kan o they fana ya kata ye sobe ya ta ya try ye lo kukan mi alon ka foko abekele balunyi mati kamaramba na nyon jamalu ibe sembentu yalale kuma kan kindo al ni yamarolla woro Kamas Electrical ela doko felenti ila ta electrician ela ye bungole lo bang il a fait ka electrification ole kije ka jebe dada Kamas Electrical is here to do that for you, and they will do it perfectly professionally. Kamas Electrical Dowdending they will be, and they are always ready to go and get that, you know, to pick your call. And you know what, near the telephone chica, you know, all what they will tell you is okay, we will be there right away. They will not miss their time. They will not miss anything that you know, they will be ready to do it. They mean business in whatever they are doing. Kamas Electrical. Kamaraba is telling you, Kamas Electrical is a reliable electrical or installation partners you can have in this country. They are young youths, and they need to be encouraged. They need to be promoted. This is why we're doing that. So then follow Kamas Electrical. Thank you, Dibasi. Thank you so much. That's it. We have to do that for one another. This is what Kamaraba want. I want a better country for myself. I want a better country for the youth. So, inshallah, we will be doing this. He didn't pay anything, but he's going to do this here free, by force. By force, he's going to, you know what? Tell me. But say, can you people write, tell me how much this man need to pay? Tell me. But say, you know. Oh, anyway, I think from today, my kids will be watching at least something somewhere. So you can just rightly see. Iladoko Bay is professional. And he's a product of GTTI. And he has been doing it, you know, he knows what he's doing. Inema kumanda ila doko ke ina fa ko doko man betea anytime ya kumandi dorong e ka sewo ala doko nyima abe menke kan o do funding ke wala nga nyo sembentu ya nga nyo fasa nga itandi gambela ko. This is what we have for this country. Adum be nga nyatiling mecholula isaje ko nga kairol soto nyimbanko kan woto nyaaji kamera baba la camera lola kamas kan to nyato nya ngajiki adum sonda nyine ko Kamas la doko ne nyinyata wala yatinna mbe akeka hala doko le nyinyata wala yatinna mfanambe sembentu yala na ala doko manyinya kamarba la platform is too powerful kamol deceive woto ala al sa follow drum ninal tanta damen drum al salo barka itandal la ko Kamas good Gambian youths forward. So ala jele wan Usman Jane wala yo fa ko funding ke Gambia funding ke ñaatu drum so wodo akuma da bake pour ka aje ko abala do ko la ngandira fancy fon sabbi So anyway, mbadan na tenedro. Kama si fune fono pour mol si lano ela do kolla e kamil dolke janimba sambala cross
okay abarka bake camera ba akira in sewo de akira in kontaro ni fanam fanje la platform ko no camera ba officially akira ni kontano fandika customer be congratulate mulka do ko di molla ni ajembe do ko ke kan are customer le akendi and then mun keta nyontown be sharing because ndela doko we are level and then doko nyi ndel na doko di la ke guarantee la doko la le because nga guarantee mun dila olo 1 year guarantee ni na doko di la doko nyi atara elo do so bare doko dol bu ko bay nga muruna ko na doko ke free yeah because bakaso dol bi je ke sande because bakaso ni sang komi ika fold door sorole from the factory side la so ni frarantel majanto ni ne do kuya ika na di fold door fona fundene at later on di borda so nka fole ko bina na do ko free of charge la within that 1 year kono ye wala kina na do ko nka fole ko nyon dawte keri
jama gambian kolu métier star mol bulu man din kol quand même ko métier bu ka fu métier tiole ka fu wala mun di reliability around it so saying ite simune fo gambian kole min be tenin don fatandila
yeah mu yen gambian dol fatandi timon bembulu ibeda da karamundole everybody did their advanced diploma wala kina nyonton financiera and then ka guarantee di mola el do ko wala 1 year gambeja namera nabe kerinde mbafola compagnie balle o sorno bare comme individual mon ka guarantee di mola 1 year no fanam nafura o fanam number 1 champion because in cadre na customer you give them 100% guarantee yeah
so mo be collect la contribution to the better Gambia
na contribution mbafola Gambia nole yedo ko di mola so that in fanang at least afura nyawnya I started with 2 people but now I'm going with 11 people. Wow. So nindo ko be sharing I can still also France model tano ko de mo nga fo ko be sirun so ko ne mantar do ko la mul jututa ko mecho mo karambalo le tati ngoy ko nyinten karambalo mechiti nyini man 45 technology you know work in this place so wala kinam fana ba fo la mole ko adale do ko dinna we will get more youth in our working place.
So has he just rightly said he start from 1 2 from himself 1 2 3 now it's 11 that means he has created employment so wodo wo kafno la nyaadile ite gamben ko membe kamas kumandila pour kayla do ko diala nabo kela ni wole siata afara be fodin ke jamalu tala kamas can you repeat your numbers pour molsi futanoyma nyamen adun inene kabaraba disappoint la because people relying on me they believe that what I am saying is the truth. Tell people your numbers and you will not default them.
Yeah, number mu 277-9774 377-9477 near call anytime until opening time sort of closing time sort of you call at even midnight like we have a problem in our site nka make sure na futema because I have a motorbike not a car so when I can ko traffic will be block la so odam manka ke ninka mol guarantee ko we are 24 hours working time we have 24 hours working time.
Yeah, Mariama Silla just asked, what does your team do in general? I just turn in. See, that means now you can just tell them what your job entails.
Okay, not Doko in general is basically be considering electrical account. Bungol installation okay molele. Munada from the starting of the installation, that is the wiring. Nka ke molele, nka satellite fix molele. And then ka AC fana install molele nke service fana molele. So nyil bebe na doko lo kono malanga wala kina we put like Kamas Electrical basic we are on satellite solar and then domestic installation and others that others ni all services ni natna. So nka service fana ke molele ni usata rela so kono ila fa fene verify laje we do all those and then ye problem so la so kono you want to trace it out of fana bebe na doko lo kono le.
Well then thank you so much wonderful viewers. I'm going to stop it here. He's going to do the job in progress. Thank you so much, Kamas. Yeah, we appreciate and please, he's a youth man. He's ready and he's focused. Can you get him? Give him that work. Give him that services. Don't let him go free. Make him work. He can give work to other youths. Allah barakabake.